Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is Nigerian egg sauce recipe. Egg sauce is a popular Nigerian food made with egg, tomato, pepper, onion and vegetable oil. Within 20 minutes on this recipe we are done because it is very easy. I'm sure you would like to know my own version of Nigerian egg sauce. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. Ingredients we have for the Nigerian egg sauce recipe are eggs, all-purpose seasoning, white pepper, seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, dry thyme, vegetable oil, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, carrot, and lastly sweet bell peppers. I am using the combination of green, yellow and red. Please do feel free to use any color of your choice. And for the Scotch bonnet pepper, please feel free to use the quantity or amount you can be able to tolerate. Alright, next is to prep the ingredients. After prepping the vegetable, this is what we got. Yeah. Next is the cooking exercise. Place a pan on the stove top and add a little vegetable oil to preheat. Once that is done, add the minced onion and garlic and then stir until translucent. Once that is done, add the minced Scotch bonnet pepper and sliced tomatoes and stir to combine. Allow the tomato to fry for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is exactly how it should look like. Then add the diced carrots, salt to taste, seasoning cube, dry thyme, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and then stir very well to combine. Back to the egg. To this I will add some white pepper and a little salt to taste. Then whisk until well combined. You can as well replace the white pepper with black pepper or crushed chili. There is no problem about that. Once this is done, I will set it aside and then check back on the sauce. Next is to add the bell peppers combination, of which you know I am using red, yellow and green bell peppers. You can use any color of your choice. There is no problem about that, as I earlier said. Once the stirring is done, let's check and balance the taste, and to this all the seasonings are well balanced. Once that is done, add the whisked egg and then stir gently, though depending on how you want the outcome. If you don't want it crumbled, there will be no need of stirring it gently. Alright, but why you need it a little scrambled just like me, then you have to stir it gently and then cover to cool on a low heat for just 4 minutes or thereabouts. Virtuous family, 4 minutes later, this is what we got. Wow, this is so beautiful. I will stir very well to combine. Once that is done, add some extra onion for garnishing. You can as well skip this because it is totally optional. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Nigerian egg sauce recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Today I gave everybody the opportunity of freedom to pair the egg sauce with whatever they like. Some said they want the egg sauce with white rice, some said they want it with boiled plantain, while some said they want it with boiled yam, and a lot are going with boiled Irish potato. You can as well use this egg sauce for sweet potatoes or spaghetti. They all go for egg sauce. Alright, I'm very sure you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handles as usual. This is all we have for you for today's video. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.